Hiya crafty folks, Amy here with amyswares, and I have a haul from a company I am very excited to share with you. This is called Uniquely Creative. This came all the way from Australia. I recently discovered this company through my friend Al in a haul video that she did. She was evidently already familiar with the company, but they are starting to break out into the US market, and they were obviously able to send this to me. So I placed an order. They had a lot of great stuff, and it finally came. So I'm going to share it with you today. I'm going to try and open this packaging here. Look at this cute little, I took my packing slip and everything out, but with International, they have to claim all the goods and all the whatnot. But this is super cute packaging. Just going to pull everything out on the side here and then share with you what I got. Just a moment here. Pull everything out. Okay, to start. Oh, look at this. Okay. Thank you for supporting our small Australian-owned business. You can use this with Essentials die number 5. So this is really cool. You can cut these out and use them as sentiment strips. That's awesome. Okay, so this first thing that I got here, this is fussy cutting scissors. So these, what I liked about it, first of all, I have the Tim Holtz ones, which have a very similar handle, which I really liked. But what I like about this is that it doesn't have the serrated edge. I really like the Tim Holtz ones too, but I don't always necessarily want that serrated edge. Oh my gosh. So look at this. You can see no serrated edge on this. So this is an option if you don't want that. Like I said, I'll still use these obviously, but if I don't want the serrated edge, I can still get that nice, comfortable grip. So if you have hand pain or anything like that, this is a great option. So this is great for fussy cutting. Obviously, it's very pointy and small, can get into little nooks and crannies. It's for right or left-handed. Some of you guys will comment, because I am actually left-handed, but this is the most awkward feeling thing in the world for me right now. Like, I honestly don't even think, yeah, I don't even think I could cut that. I've very much grown up in a right-hander's world, so yeah, I'm very conditioned. So all of my dexterity, all my agility, strength, everything is in my right side, except for writing. So I will write with my left, but pretty much everything else I do with my right hand. So to answer your question there, I know some of you guys are confused by that. Okay, now, let's see here. I'm trying to remember what I got. Okay. Oh my gosh, this, I'm going to start with this. This is, I'm so excited about. Look at this little die. So this is a Matchbox die. So I can make a cute little tiny Matchbox with pattern paper or cardstock. My daughter is always making little things with polymer clay for her friends. I make jewelry. So this is a really cute option. I love any dies that are for little bags or boxes or things like that. So again, this is metal dies. I think it's, I don't know if it says what the size is, but you can see here, this is the kind of size that it would be, which is, yeah, it's like 2 inches by 1.5 inches. So that'll give you an idea of how big the box is. And then this obviously makes the little piece that slides over it. So super cute. Watch her video where I'm sure I'll make something like that. This is another thing that I was really excited that Al was showing, an edge distressing tool. So this is, you can see there's a little blade in there. I can run this along and distress the edge of my paper. So I do have a couple like deckled edged dies, but I don't have like the deckled trimmer or anything like that. And this gives such an organic, cool, like roughed up kind of grungy edge. So I'm really excited. I don't have anything like that in my crafty stash. So I'm excited to have this edge distressing tool. Okay, now I have this metal dies. This, you can see what it is. It's got the shadow layer as well as the words, best wishes, thank you, and have a fabulous birthday. So these are, let's see, sizes here. Best wishes is probably about 2¼ inches long. by 1 3/4 inches high to give you some perspective. So not huge, but not tiny either. And I do like that the words appear to be kind of connected, because y'all know I don't like little fiddly bits. I don't want to mess with that. So I appreciate it when anything is connected like that. This embossing folder, super cool. It's not 3D, it's a regular one, but it was such a cool design. I wanted to have it. You can see it's like triangles. Very cool. It's called Dazzle. So there's that. And then, oh, this I had to get for my daughter. So it's kookaburras. I'm probably saying it wrong. She's always correcting me, my daughter is, but she loves this Australian bird. So this is a really nice size stamp. This would be super fun to color. It's got congratulations, hooray, you make me laugh, together is my favorite place to be. Super cute. So this is called Kookaburra Party. So I think there might have been coordinating dies. I'm not sure, but I didn't get those. Okay, and then I have this Boutique Bouquet. So this is a really pretty die here. You can see it's going to do just the outline of this. So this would be really pretty on a card front. You can see it's a nice size. Let me grab an A2 size card case to give you some perspective here. You could see you could go diagonally right across the whole card front. So that's really pretty. This is called Boutique Bouquet die. Very pretty. And then I have these peonies mini cut aparts. And again, you can just kind of cut these. You can use their essential die, which I don't have, but I thought these would be easy enough to just kind of take in my paper trimmer and cut them out. And you guys know I love having batched sentiments and stuff like that. So just another nice option. So be sure to check out this company. They have loads of cool stuff. I will link everything that I got in the video description box below. If you follow my links, I might make a small commission at no additional cost to you. But this is a great new to me company that's really trying to break out into the US market. So be sure to check them out. They're super friendly. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and I will catch you next time. Bye. Hiya, if you're still here, thanks for sticking around. I have a little bit of bonus content for you. I couldn't wait to bust this out. I just wanted to show you how it works. So I have this thicker brown cardstock. I just used this piece once, and then I have this scrap piece of cool textured pattern paper. So great way to use this stuff up. And look how cute this is. I can't handle it. It makes a proper little matchbox. So cute. You can put little treats in it. Maybe put in your kid's lunchbox or a little thing with a note for your teacher or something like that. So cute. I'm stoked. So thanks for sticking around. I'll catch you next time. Bye.